Hello guys, my name is Faraz, one of the doctors working here in Australia. So if you're living in any country of the world, either Australia, UK, USA, Gulf countries, Saudi Arabia, or anywhere in the world. So if you want to get your passport renewed for yourself, or if you want to apply for a new passport for your newborn, so this video is for you. So these days process is very simple. You can apply from your home and you can get your passport. You can get the passport of your newborn at the doorstep. So in this video, I'm going to take you to all the steps and I will let you know about the required documents. I will let you know about the fee structures and all the complexities in this process I'm going to explain in this video. So let's go to the laptop screen and I will clear everything for you.
Open any of the browsers, simply write mrpdgip and this page will open in front of you. Simply come down and you have to click on the get started. From here it will take you to the next page, online application and the payment with the home delivery. You have to register and then log in. So registration is very simple. Simply click on the register button and here they will ask about few simple steps, personal information, and they are going to ask about the email and the mobile verification. After the registration you have to click on the login button. Very easy process. So login, and once it is login you can go for the new application. Click on the new application button and you can see they are going to ask, are you applying from the Pakistan? No, I am not applying from Pakistan. So then you have to select applying for the new passport for minor only. It's mean I am applying for my kid. Okay, after that applying for a new passport, the applicant age should be less than 2 and for that you need a NICOP. Okay, so this is the reason they are asking about the 13-digit number, that is the number of NICOP. Once you will put the number, they will verify it and they are saying that age is less than 2, you can apply. Start the juvenile application. These are the steps of the application, 5 steps which you have to go through and you have to fill the details in each and every step. Select the urgent passport which you will get in 2 weeks. If you are going for the normal, it will be delivered in 3 weeks. Number of the pages, select the validity duration, and then you have to select the residency country, United Kingdom, and then you have to select for the office, that is London. And after that you will move forward. Then they are going to ask about the picture of your child and you have to read that and click on the browse button, upload the picture, and after that you have to upload it and review the picture. So here you can see simply save the button and it will take you to the next page. Then personal details, these are the details of your child. Please keep in mind these all are the details of your child which you have to fulfill. And after fulfilling these details of your child, please don't make any mistake over here, otherwise there will be mistake in the passport as well. Simply save. Then you have to enter the details of the father, and in the similar way, once father details are there, you have to put the details of the mother as well. And after that you have to select the permanent address, that is the address from the Pakistan. Correctly write that address, and after that they will ask about the passport delivery address, that is address of your in the UK, so that your passport could be delivered on the at your home. So then you will select save button. Application supporting documents, these are very important. You will upload the fingerprint as well so that they can verify you and they can issue a passport to your child after your fingerprint verification. So these are the documents which you will need in the support. So these include the mother fingerprint, father or the guardian passport, guardian CNIC, child NICOP, and this is the form of the minor. Then you have to upload rest of the documents as well. So from here you can download the form of the minor and you can upload the BRP or the visa status, whatever you have. So then you will come down and here it states that the uploading of the fingerprint is mandatory and the document should be less than 3 MBs. So we are going to upload the supporting document. Select the passport first of all. So after the selection of the document, we will click on the browse button, upload the picture, and after uploading the picture, you can view the picture as well. Like sometime if you have uploaded the wrong document while the selected document was the different one, you can always view. I have selected passport, I can view like this is my passport. Yes, this is my passport, and in this way we can upload rest of the documents as well. I am gonna upload the BRP and the exactly process is same. After the upload I can review. So you can see all the documents are uploaded and you can see only 3 documents, which is the form of minor, father fingerprint, and the mother fingerprint are there. We have to upload. So I will show you one by one. So this is the form of the minor. You can download this form of minor from there, and after download you have to do what? You have to sign yourself and you you have to get it signed by your wife, and then you can upload. I will show it to you. So after the upload, you can do the upload button, and then you can click on the view button. So you can see form of the minor, view the document. Okay, here you go. You can see you have to select attach the picture of your daughter as well. Then you have and your wife have to sign on the bottom. So after that form of the minor, you have to upload rest of the document, that is fingerprint of the mother and the father. First of all, I am going to upload the fingerprint of my wife, that are the fingerprint of the mother. You have to select father or the mother. When you will select father or the mother, the CNIC number and the name of the father mother will come over. Fingerprint will be acceptable only on the prescribed fingerprint form. Fingerprint form allowed document size is 10 MB. I don't think this is correct because I was unable to upload the 8 MB file. Keep it less than 3 MB, and download form must be the scanned at least 600 DPI. To upload the form, simply click on the browse button and select the form from your gallery, and after that you have to click on the upload button. If you want to view the form, you can do it. So view document, and you can see these are the fingerprints which were accepted by the passport office in the Pakistan. In the similar way, you will upload the details of the father. I will upload the fingerprint form of the father, and if you want to view that form still, again we can view the form of the father fingerprints as well. Here we go, this is the father fingerprint form. In the similar way, you can upload all the documents. If all the documents are uploaded, simply click on the save button, and it will take you to the next page. It is simply saying you have to review, because if any details is wrong, you will not be able to correct it after that. And if you are going to change, you have to select the save button as well. So you can review, you can view all the application which you have already filled. If there is any mistake, you can correct it. Okay, after that, you see the fee. Passport fee is 7500, service charges are 2976 PKR, and the delivery charges are 10,495. So in total 20,971. Permanent address is given over there, and the address for the delivery of the passport is also given over there. So the passport will be delivered in the United Kingdom, and all the details are given over here. So in this way, guys, you can again review the documents uploaded. Then you have to click on the declaration. I believe Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet of Allah, and the Mirza Qadiani and his followers are basically non-Muslims. So you will select save, and then you have to do what? You have to proceed for the payment, and in the payment you have to read the terms and the condition initially, billing details, credit card details, and the payment receipt at the end. So this money will be not refundable. Please keep in mind before making the payment. So accept and continue. So once you have entered the billing information, card details, and you will be able to download the receipt of the payment. So all the payment is done over here, and after the payment, you will be able to see your application is still in process. Our DGIP representative will contact you soon for the further verification and further information if required. You can download the receipt from here, and you can download the submitted application to view the application if you want. Simply, if you want to view the application, you have to open it, you have to download it from the link given below, and then you will be able to see. But keep in mind, after that you will not be able to edit the application. It's already submitted. This is submitted application. You will not be able to edit it. So if you want to edit your application, you have to edit before the payment. Okay, so this is very important. So please keep in mind, keep logging in and keep reviewing your application. So after login, you can see one application in progress, nothing is completed. So you have to do what? Keep logging and keep checking every second day. And here you can see there is nothing in progress, and one application is completed. It's mean completed, and they have issued the passport. So then you will go in the email, and in the email you will be able to see from the shipment company, your parcel is on the way. Immigration and the passport department, government of Pakistan, must be adult, and you will be able to get this passport on Monday 12/24.